20,000 breaths a day. I never understood how they shaped me until now. Have you ever wondered how many times you breathe in a single day? 20,000 times. And yet, how many of those breaths do you actually feel? Most of us breathe unconsciously, the same way we live unconsciously. We wake up, move, speak, think, and react, but rarely stop long enough to notice the miracle happening right beneath our awareness. Your breath is your life. It's the most honest mirror you'll ever have. Unconscious breathing reflects an unconscious life. When the breath is shallow, the mind is scattered, and the heart feels distant. It's how we live when we're always chasing the next task, the next message, the next thing to fix. Each shallow breath says, I'm surviving. But deep, aware breathing says, I'm living. Take a slow inhale, right now. Feel the air enter your lungs. Cool, gentle, alive. Hold it for a moment and exhale slowly. That single breath, you just became aware of life moving through you. That's all awakening really is. Awareness returning home to the moment. So what does it say about you if you breathe unconsciously most of the time? It says you've been caught in the current, pulled by the noise of the world. But it also says something else, that your return is one breath away. Each time you remember to breathe with awareness, you're reclaiming your connection to existence. You're saying, I'm here. I'm alive. I remember. When your breath is calm, your life begins to calm. When it deepens, you begin to deepen. When it pauses, you meet stillness. The breath teaches you how to live, to receive, to release, to rest in between. How you breathe is how you live. So today, don't just breathe to survive. Breathe to awaken. Breathe to remember. Breathe to live. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.